In today's video, we're diving into some groundbreaking updates from Elon Musk and his ventures, from building the world's most powerful AI training cluster to a staggering $10 billion investment in a new server project for the Optimus bot. There's a lot to unpack. We'll also discuss the latest enhancements to the Grok AI and what this means for the future of artificial intelligence in Tesla's ecosystem. Elon Musk just dropped some pretty big updates about the Tesla bot, now called Optimus, and how he's planning to ramp up self-driving features. It sounds like they're not just tweaking things, they're going for a full overhaul. Elon broke down his game plan for Optimus and how it ties into Tesla's self-driving tech, connecting all the dots to make our cars smarter and more independent. He also threw a curveball by deciding to ditch Oracle and go solo on a massive $10 billion server project. That's like saying, we'll handle it ourselves, which is classic Elon, right? This new Optimus bot isn't just any robot. It's a powerhouse that combines the best of Tesla's energy solutions, data smarts from X, serious computing muscle from xAI, and cutting-edge robotics. Elon is essentially creating a superbot using everything his companies excel at. It's like building a tech Voltron. This isn't just tech talk. The kind of energy and computing power we're discussing here is what's going to drive tomorrow's technology. It's like laying the groundwork for the future, right in front of our eyes. We see some big moves with the Grok integration in the Optimus bot. Elon Musk is back at it, making waves with his plans for the Optimus bot. This time, it's all about leveling up with some help from Grok technology. This isn't just a small tweak. It's a game changer that's going to amp up what Optimus can do. So, what's the hype about Grok? The integration of Grok technology means Optimus will be smarter and more efficient. Think of it as giving the bot a powerful brain. Elon also talks about using Tesla supercharger hotspots to make software updates smoother than ever before. It's like giving your robot an espresso while you're parked to make sure it's always running the latest technology. Just when you thought robots couldn't get cooler, Elon's team is already pushing forward with the Gen 3 Optimus bot. Elon's not stopping at robots. He's also tweaking how Tesla's handle driving with a big software update. Version 12.5 is set to merge city and highway driving into one seamless system, improving on the previous updates. They're still in the test phase with employees playing around with features like summon and banish. Imagine calling your car to pick you up at the grocery store door and then sending it off to park itself. It's like having a valet in your pocket. Elon Musk's xAI built its own data centers and set out to develop customized AI chips. It's like choosing to bake your own bread instead of buying it completely homemade and customized to your tastes. xAI and Oracle couldn't agree on how quickly to implement these big plans and how to deliver the performance they need. So xAI's solution is to go it alone. They're also sourcing NVIDIA chips to build a supercomputer with 100,000 GPUs. The technical muscle they need to train their next big thing, Grok 3.0. Imagine 100,000 brains working together. That's the kind of performance we're talking about. Just when it seems like Elon Musk might take a step back to catch his breath, he's back in the headlines with another jaw-dropping revelation. He's not just making a small investment. He's going all in with a staggering $10 billion dedicated to a server project specifically for the Optimus bot under the xAI initiative. That's billion with a B, a figure that underscores not just commitment, but a bold vision for the future. This commitment reflects a clear vision to lead the charge in the AI revolution, shaping the landscape of technology for decades to come. So, what do you think about these recent developments? Are you excited about the potential of the Optimus bot and the future of AI in our daily lives? How do you think these advancements will impact Tesla stock in the long term? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Also, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on AI. Your support allows us to bring you the latest and greatest from the world of AI tech. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.